we are going through a difficult time. A global pandemic caused by COVID-19, coronavirus 19, is a new species of the coronavirus family, which is known for its structure, a crown-like structure for the corona family, and that it characterizes itself. COVID-19 is not a new virus. It is considered to be the part of SARS-1, which was severe acute respiratory distress syndrome, which was a dreadful disease, but fortunately we got an antidote for that. But this is a completely new species, COVID-19. That is why the worldwide people are confused about it. But there are few simple steps which we can follow to protect ourselves from this menace, COVID-19. It is normally affected from an infected person to another. So if you are thinking that it is coming from animals, then it has not yet been proved. Most of the cases it has been transmitted from an infected person to another. Stay away from touching those surfaces. It could be especially the metal surfaces or any other surfaces. So if you are really trying to next time hold a doorknob or any other metal surface, or maybe even your mobile phone or your laptop, you have to be extra cautious in keeping it neat and clean. Get affected by coronavirus 19, then you must know that what exactly are the things which you should do to save yourself and save others. The first thing which you must take care that this coronavirus can only cause when you are not taking the simple measures. So let us know how to break the chain of COVID-19. So here I am going to tell you some simple steps with which we can easily prevent COVID-19. So the first step, you have to make sure that you are always keep your hands clean so that you are always staying away from the germs. Most of the time this COVID-19 virus comes through your fingers and your hands. So make sure that you follow a strict hand washing regime. Use soap and water to every time clean your hands whenever you come across anything, and make it a habit of every time washing your hands at least for 20 seconds, make good lather, and finally wash your hands. Or you can use the 60% at least hand sanitizer, which is also a good way to clean your hands. Use the best hand washing technique to make sure that your hands and fingers are always clean. Whenever you're going outside, stop touching the eyes, nose, and the other part of your face, which can also make you safe from this COVID-19. Apart from that, you should make sure that when you are outside, you are also trying to stay away from people, because making a social distance is also very important. Most of the time it has been seen that people think that if they're going outside, they will use a mask, but you should not forget that wearing mask is only going to give you a partial safety, because if you are not maintaining the hand washing, if you are not maintaining the cleanliness, then just wearing the mask is not going to save you. So you should understand that hand washing is primarily important. Apart from that, of course, mask will help you to stay away from the cough droplets, which maybe an infected person can sneeze. If you are coughing or sneezing in the public, make sure that you flex your elbow and cough in the corner so that you can always keep yourself safe and the people around you. These are not only good practices, but these are the safe practices which can keep you safe and healthy. And then if you are really having fever, make sure that you check your temperature. Whenever you come to any place, please make sure that you check your temperature. And if your temperature is 37 degrees Celsius and above, or 100 degrees Fahrenheit and above, then you should immediately return back to home and take rest. Make sure that if you are safe, then others are also safe. If you have a recent past of traveling history, then please share it with others, and make sure that if you are basically feeling some kind of discomfort like fever, shortness of breath, or headache, or it could be even muscle ache, then you must isolate yourself or self-quarantine for 14 days so that you are safe and you keep others also safe. And finally, you should understand that if you are still feeling some discomfort and some sickness, you should immediately consult your healthcare provider so that you can detect this disease at an early stage. Remember, 80% cases has already been recovered worldwide. So you can also recover from this COVID-19 if you take early measure to stop this. And the best thing is to stay away from COVID-19. So stay safe, stay healthy and positive. Thank you.